Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of this Ratty Lemans project. Guess what I just got in the mail? It's a steering wheel, and this steering wheel is pretty gross. I got it for 20 bucks on eBay, plus $13 shipping. But it's for a Pontiac. I think it's for like a 68, 69 Le Mans, maybe 72? I don't know. It's for some sort of Pontiac. And I have no idea which Pontiac, but as long as it fits mine, it's gonna be a hell of a lot better than what is in there. The problem is, I have no idea if the horn button works or what's behind this horn button, and I also don't know what kind of grossness is all over it because it's the dirtiest steering wheel I've ever touched. Just to give you an example, I mean, you can see my hands here, but yeah, gross. So, we're gonna clean it up. I got some Windex or Glass Plus. I got some of this stuff. I got some interior detailer and got a little bit of this for me. So, let's see what happens. Am I right? Let's get started. All right, before we get started, I'd like to say a little goodbye to my phone holder. I shoot these things with my iPhone, and I just got a new phone that's a little bit wider. And I just stuck my new phone in this camera holder and broke it. The other thing that just happened is one of these legs just fell off. So I think this $7.99 tripod is probably not cutting it anymore. Time to upgrade. Right, I think the first thing I want to do is try and take the horn button off. It's got one screw holding it in the back, which is a 1/4 inch. I'm not even sure if it's the right one for this. It's loose, like this has been off before. Oh, I guess I didn't take it all the way. There we go. That's gone now. And let's see what it looks like inside. Is it going to be full of spiders? Oh, not bad. I've actually I've dealt with worse than this. So I don't really know how this is supposed to work with a horn button. I think there's usually some springs and stuff in here. Maybe a little pokey device thing that goes through the middle of that. But maybe that's supposed to be on the column itself. I'm not sure, as like part of the column. Anyways, gross. All right, let's spray this sucker down. Actually, why don't we start with the center? Let's see if we can make that look good. Maybe a couple of these. All right, we got enough squirts. Let's give it some scrubs. Seriously though, what happened to this thing to make this ooze come off of it? It's pretty gross. So yeah, I just gave it a little scrub. Unfortunately, I only have one hand, and my phone holder is now broken, as you can see. So I'm doing this all with one hand, so I can't show you the scrubbing process, which I know you're probably pretty excited about. But we'll see what this looks like. You know, that doesn't look too bad. That is totally going to work in a Ratty Lemans, assuming it actually like fits. Huh, that's not bad. All right, I'm going to do a couple more scrubs and we'll see what it looks like. All right, cleaned up, dried, looks pretty nice. So that is going to look pretty great inside the Le Mans, and it's much less dirty. All right, let's do the wheel. I'm just happy there's no spiders. Right. This is looking pretty great. So now I think I'm at a point where you can touch it and not get all like gross. You can see all of the mud that's washed off of it. I should also mention that it's probably maybe 25 degrees in the garage right now. So if I don't dry up this stuff, it's probably going to turn to ice. Although it may have alcohol in it because it's like glass cleaner, and I think usually it does have alcohol. All right, let's cruise over here. See what it looks like with the horn button. Oh yeah, that's a nice looking wheel, am I right? Maybe we should pull the other one off the car and see what it looks like installed. $39. Not bad. Look at this beauty. All right, let's have a look. Okay. Nice. Quality. Lost it. All right, now I think this is a 7/8. Oh yeah, and it's not even tightened. So that's good. All right, let's take this off, and then I should be able to just yank the wheel, hopefully, and it will fall off. Because I've had this off a few times. There we go. I've had this off a few times, so I think it's probably gonna pop right off. Let's try it out. Ta-da! Probably 1980s, maybe early 90s. Super cool wheel. The S must stand for super cool. The Pontiac wheel, you can see a size comparison. And yeah, hopefully the Pontiac wheel will fit on the steering column. Let's find out. Looks like it goes on like this, so it's a little crooked. Boy, I hope this fits. Oh! I think it works. It works! All right. So now, I'll just throw this guy on here. All right. And then, I don't have the screws for the back. I only have one screw for the back. But, nice. Sweet. What do you think? Nice upgrade or what? All right, so to recap, I have no idea if that is even close to the right steering wheel for this car, but I actually don't care. I really just want a better steering wheel than what was in there, and I saw this one on eBay for 20 bucks, and I just couldn't pass it up. So if you're out there and you happen to be a Pontiac Le Mans expert, let me know if this is correct for a 72 Le Mans. I don't actually care, but I am kind of curious. So I guess that's it. Just a short video about a steering wheel. A really dirty one. Nice. Anyways, be sure to subscribe, tell your friends, watch the 50 plus other Ratty Le Mans videos that I have, and reach out to me on YouTube and say hello. Send me your link to your build thread because I want to check out what you're building. And yeah, that's it for today. We'll see you next time.